Really, this was a very powerful and very emotional hearing. It comes down to this. There's a recent Supreme Court ruling that says anyone who was under 18 when they commit a crime and they are convicted of it and sentenced to life in prison without parole cannot get a sentence like that anymore. And that was Brian Shepard until today. Just for a second, how do you feel?
Awesome! What a great day!
That is what Brian Shepard's friends and family feel like today. He was 17 when he and others were convicted of setting a fire that led to that deadly explosion. He was convicted of arson, not murder. The families of those 6 firefighters, however, are angry about the new sentence.
And I disagree completely with the judge when he says that whether your intent to kill someone was part of your original crime is completely relevant. It has everything to do with it. Someone has to answer for a crime.
My heart aches for them today, as it always has.
That's Shepard's daughter, Ashley Keeney. She and others were in a tense, packed courtroom for the short hearing this afternoon. And Keeney's mother described Shepard as he realized he was being freed.
He just started crying. His attorney turned around and handed him a tissue, and he just started shaking and crying.
As we all were.
As we all were, and thanking God.
Here's to our new lives.
Now, Shepard was one of 5 people who were convicted in this case. One of them has died in prison, and now the case is now Brian Shepard has been resentenced to 20 years, which is the amount of time he's already served. Stephen?
That federal judge's decision means Brian Shepard will be released soon, but Stacey Cameron spoke with Shepard's lawyer, who says he won't walk out of prison today. Stacey, even when Shepard does, there will be some constraints on his freedom.
That's absolutely correct. According to that judge's decision, Shepard will remain under federal supervision for the next 5 years. The exact details of that supervision to be released in the court's written order later today. But as far as Brian Shepard going home, his lawyer says that right now he's on his way back to the Leavenworth facility, the prison there. He will remain in the area while he is processed by the Federal Bureau of Prisons. Now, his attorney believes that federal authorities should know in the next day exactly when Shepard will go free. She says that's likely going to be sometime within the next week. And while family members of the firemen lost in that tragic fire see today's ruling as a miscarriage of justice, Shepard's lawyer says she was elated with the decision that Shepard, a juvenile when convicted, has now fully paid his debt to society.
I believe in the justice system, and I believe that there was very careful consideration here of all of the factors involved and all of the hurt and harm that has happened as a result of this case.
Now, Shepard's attorney, Cynthia Short, says her client will still have to pay restitution ordered back in 1997, the amount more than $500,000.